Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of DB1, DB2 stuff we're going to cover. So follow along as we go down the yellow brick road. So in order to do user registration, we need what tables?
User.
Alright, user, session, and
User sessions.
user sessions. Why do we need user sessions? Many to many. Okay. That was the textbook's response. Why do we need user session?
To pair the user and the session.
Okay. Make a linking table. Why do you need a linking table? That was circular referencing. That doesn't count.
I'm just saying buzzwords, man.
That's how it feels like. All right. The reason is, if we had, well, let's do it this way. So we have a user table. Everybody gets that, right? Right-click tables, add new table. Whatever. Sessions. So in here we'll have name. Oh, whoops. Varchar 400. Not null. Description. If I can type.
Need the comma, don't you?
Yes, I need the comma. Thank you. All right.
More or less.
All right, that's good enough.
You actually implement some stuff. Put that in the project and check out.
What happened? All right.
Let's further into
All right, so I created a sessions table. The content is somewhat irrelevant. But it has a name, description, a room number, and a capacity. Okay. If I were to put a user ID field here, what does that mean?
one session can only have one user.
One session can only have one user. One person's allowed to sign up for that session. Okay? So we end up with a one user can sign up for that session, but that user can sign up for multiple sessions. So it's a one-to-many. Okay? If we move and put the session ID in the users table, we end up with what? Wrong. You put the session ID as a foreign key in the users table. We end up with what?
The session can have, or one session can have many users, but one user can only have one session.
Correct. So you'll have multiple users sign up for the session, but that user can only sign up for one session. So the reason why we do a many-to-many is because you can have multiple people sign up for a single session, and inversely, that one person can sign up for many sessions. So you need to be able to mix and match between them. Does that make sense? Okay. Does that make sense? All right. So the many-to-many is so that you can have many of both. Now, some people would say, well, I'll just create a new session for each user. Well, then you have a one-to-many, and you're just replicating the session data across those tables. So you actually end up with multiple copies of the same session, which is not what you want. You want to have one unique session, one unique user, and then build that relationship between them. Oh, did I just delete that table? I didn't.
I think you did update it. I think you just got to refresh that.
Oh, yes. All right. Yeah, but I want them to both be the primary key. I just don't know what the sequel is for it.
Wouldn't there be foreign keys, then you have a primary key as a third one?
Boom. There we go. What?
So say wouldn't there be foreign keys and then we'd have a primary key in addition to it?
Well, we could, but doing it this way ensures that I can't have a person sign up for the same session twice.
What did you just do something magical to make those two things?
I did. I had a wand and I went. Boop. Did you see it?
Yeah, I was it.
Okay, I was gonna do it again.
Dressed up.
That's my Halloween costume. Stop. I'm just kidding. All right, so I deleted the primary key off of user ID because it came along for the ride and I couldn't do it. So I highlight both. I right click, then I said set primary key. And then I went poof, and it worked. So,
One more time. You need this on video.
right, I know. It's not going to sound nearly as impressive when you're just listening to it. But you're going to imagine me jumping up
This is
and
gonna be on YouTube, and some guy's gonna find it. Just be like, what the hell is going on?
There are lots of people that pick up my videos on YouTube and watch them.
I subscribe to your channel.
You do?
Extra credit. How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube?
Huh?
How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube?
Probably a lot more than the ones I have.
I don't think that's a required number of subscribers. Just have
Views, yes. Alright. So, this schema structure, it by design ensures that I don't have a user sign up for 2 sessions. It will throw a unique key exception if I try to put the same user in the same session in this table. The catch is that you have to know both the user and the session ID in order to delete it. Okay?